Guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Jack and today we're going to be playing Bowmasters again. And today we are going to be playing the Birds Hunt. Wait, what? Birds Hunt, sorry. So the game is all about you choose a character. Well, it does not matter which character you choose. It will keep changing the weapon and birds will come. Our challenge for today, in 1 minute we have to get 15 birds. You can see the birds counter on the left. Okay, 2. I have got 2. 2 now. No. Okay, get that one. No, didn't. Okay, I have to get that one. I have to get this one. I have to get that one. It did touch him. Okay, that's one. 40 seconds passed. No. I need to get the time. What did I do? What did I do? Okay, 4 birds till now. 30 seconds are left. Boom. 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 At least let's get the coins. That one. Okay, go. Time, please. Time. Okay, I got the one. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is the first try. There are 2 more tries. 7. Wow. Okay. So, guys, this is the first try. We're going to try it again. We have to try. We will try again. Okay, skip. Retry. Birds hunt. We have to get. Okay, got one. Got the other one. Okay. Boom, come here. You too. Boom. You too. Boom. You too. No. You come here. You too. Okay. 6 till now. 8 to go.
Double kill.
Okay, double kill. Double kill. No, 1 kill. Okay, I have to get the time. No, I missed the time. What? Okay, got one. No. Yeah. No. Yes, I got time. Will I be able to get it, guys? Time. Time! Yes, time. Yes. 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 No. One more. Yes! Yes. Yes. So, guys, I have done the challenge. So, yeah, guys. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Or actually, you know what? Let's play another one. And this time, my challenge is to get 16. Okay? 16. Or no, actually, let's play versus the computer. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, his weapon is the arrow and the bow. Philly. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Okay, I think I'm going to go like... What the heck was that? Guys, it's hard like that. Okay. All I need to do is boom. No, not boom. Okay, this one's going to be hard. What? What the heck? Okay, I'll go like this. Please hit him. Please hit him. Please. Oh, so close. I think I have to go with 80. Oh, good. I'll go with 79. Okay. Okay, I'll go with 75. 74, same. If this doesn't work, what the heck? So I have to go with 78, I think. OMG. 77. Let's go. What the? Okay, 76. 76. OMG, such a lucky shot. 76. 77 again. OMG. What am I doing? Okay, far. That's not far. 76. 76, boy. Yes, 76. It must hit him this time. 76. 76! Headshot. Now I'll go 76 again. Okay. 76 again. Okay, I'll go 75 this time. 75. I went to 76 again. Oh, so close. OMG. Okay. 75. 75. Come on. Headshot. What's wrong with this game? Let's go, let's go. OMG. It's so hard to control. Okay, I'll go 75 this time. I went to 75 the last time and this happened. Okay, now I'll go at 75. Okay. Okay, 75, bro. 75. 75. Yes, 75. Headshot, please. Headshot. What the heck? If 75 does not hit him, what hit him? Okay, I'll go like that. 23. This won't work. Okay. Do you know what I'll go with? I'll go with like a small number, like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Like that. What the heck is wrong with this game? I cannot. Okay, guys, it's so hard. Believe me. Trust me. Okay, here's one. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Peace.